If you're looking at the MSI Mag 245F X24, here's a quick, honest 1-minute check after testing it. So first impression, this is a 23.8-inch Full HD Rapid IPS panel built for one thing, competitive gaming. You're getting a 240 Hz refresh rate paired with a 0.5 ms response time. And yeah, in fast-paced games like Valorant, Apex Legends, or CS2, it really shows. Motion clarity is the biggest win here. Ghosting is basically non-existent, and tracking enemies during flicks feels super clean for this price range. That's where it punches above budget monitors. Colors also surprised me a bit. It's not washed out like old TN panels. You're looking at around 112% sRGB, so everything feels pretty vibrant right out of the box. Viewing angles are solid too, thanks to the IPS panel. And if you're on console, it does 120 Hz on PS5 and Xbox without issues. Overall, if your focus is pure performance per dollar, this one is seriously hard to ignore.